Hey guys, what's up? My name is Natalie and welcome back to my channel. I do videos every Wednesdays and Sundays on my channel regarding a lot of stuff that is happening in my life. So like I did say in my last update, which was my video coming back to YouTube and all, make sure you check it out. I am doing quite like a weight loss program, but like you're gonna see in this video, I have one rule is like I will eat very good, and if I want to eat something very badly, even if it's not good for me, I will eat it. Okay, I will eat it. So before we continue to this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell, so that every time I do a new video you know it. Okay, and also make sure to follow me only on one platform else than YouTube. It is Instagram at teint. I had like 3 meals at home. So basically 3 meals at home means that I was not eating out, so it's basically more easy to do it and it will be easier. But if you do have like you're going outside, this can also be your lunch meal if you are working also. First, I do eat breakfast and lunchtime very less. Thursday, the first breakfast, so my first breakfast, and you can see all my meals are very egg based. So basically I do eat white and yellow. I don't care, it's like I love everything in the egg, and I know it's quite heavy. So the first thing that I eat is 1 egg with a little bit of onions, and also so I just like mix it in and turn it into an omelette, and like of course salt, pepper and everything. So and after I just like put it on wheat meal, wheat bread with meal on wheat bread, just because it's better for you when you are like trying to lose weight. It's best to go on everything wheat. Okay, so with that I am pairing it with a coffee. So I do have an espresso and it's the best. So basically you eat like your coffee is made in 5 seconds. It is the best. So this is what I do. So on day 1 I had a friend come over, funny, and we eat like ramen for lunchtime, and it was very good and so good. It's yum. So I basically like always put like one secret in the ingredient. Should I give you this ingredient? Comment below if I should. Me stepping in. So tonight I will not be eating. I don't feel like it. I have no appetite, but I will see you tomorrow for my second day in what I eat video. On day 2 I actually wanted to film on 2 days, basically like that you can see more meals and more what I eat. Duh. So on day 2 I had my recipe of pancake. So basically you took oats, you mix it in, then after you put 1 egg, 1 banana. If you want you can put like vanilla essence in it, just to give it a nice smell, and no sugar, nothing added. After I just go and put it right in the pan and make sure that I cook very well. And just to finish up, I always put some jam. So this is homemade jam actually that was made. Is not some jam that I do buy. So yeah, it's quite good for your body, I would say, as is homemade. Okay. For lunchtime, so lunchtime on day 2 it was very slim. So again I had wheat why can I say I had wheat bread also, and after I just like cook some spinach on top of it, salt, pepper, nothing crazy, and after I did use and add some cheese. So the cheese is like not a lot of carrot cheese, is like cheese basically cut in slice, put it on top of it, and after just 1 egg, and that's all. And I had a little freaky situation where I decided to drink juice. So this is what I had for my lunch. Okay. So at the end of the day we decided to have dinner. So my dinner was quite good. Okay, so my dinner, and well, remember at the beginning of the video I say when I want to eat something I will really eat it. So what I really wanted to eat this night was strictly raclette cheese, and this is the best cheese. I live in a cheese like countryside, like this is what we have. So cold weather, so cheese. Okay, so basically my man didn't want me to cut the cheese because apparently I do not cut it well. So anyways, so we had cheese, we had like potatoes with that, and also some salads that you will not see on the clip, but we did have salads, and of course some ham and everything. So we had this. I only ate 2 potatoes because like limit is key. So basically it was very good with some wine, and we just chill, and it's, yeah, it was good. By the way, I wanted to talk to you about this app. So this app is, let me like put it there, can you see? This is my screen. The app is called Yazio. So basically you have some recipes, you have like what you can eat. Like this morning before filming this video I had like some with red black tea, and I'll also put like everything. So if I do put oil, I will add it, everything, and I know what did I eat. So it was a very low breakfast for me because I ate so much cheese last night that I was not feeling that good, because I know that I shouldn't be eating cheese. My belly don't like it. My mouth does. Okay, so yeah, and then you go on recipes if you don't have any idea what you want. So it's like, oh, what do you want to eat? You can also like put your recipes in. I am really into into soup right now. Ramen and soup, like this is the best like I can eat. And what is also good is that it is linked to the app of health of Apple. So if you go do some sports, you will like be burning more calories and you can eat more. But this is not the point for me because I have to lose weight, so I have to like eat less basically. So yeah, I just wanted to share you this app, and this have been very helpful for me to like track what I eat and what I do. And then you can go on the calendar. I do have some red days. I mean, like, it doesn't serve you right to like lie on this. This is for you, okay? So this is your decision to lose weight and everything. So yeah, hope you guys really like this video and what I did talk of the app called Yazio, and hope that you guys enjoy these videos that I've been putting there. And yeah, make sure you subscribe and like this video, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Mwah.